And here's the danger in this, and I want you to listen to me very carefully, because I really want to be careful here and help you to understand that this is extremely, extremely dangerous, because when you wrongfully attribute deistic qualities to flawed human beings, eventually they're going to fail. Have you seen this before? Have you ever been supremely disappointed in somebody who was supposed to be a spiritual leader in your life? So this is not news to anybody, is it? So here's the danger, though. Whenever you wrongfully attribute those qualities to a flawed human being, that doesn't mean you don't respect them. That doesn't mean you don't revere them. That doesn't mean you don't appreciate the office or the influence. But when you wrongfully go too far and attribute deistic qualities to these people, one of two things is going to happen. Either one, you're going to blindly support everything that they say and do, even to the point of their wrongdoing. Or you'll be too ignorant to even acknowledge that they are wrong. And so you will be blinded to their sin because you have sworn your loyalty to them because they professed Jesus one too many times for you. Does this make sense? Just be careful. Just be really, really careful. Men are flawed people. We are called to worship Jesus and Jesus Christ alone. Keep it that simple.